guys, welcome to CISM. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about the documents and a couple of things that you need to carry before you board the flight to Canada. Number 1, passport. You need to carry passport, and if you have multiple passports, please carry all of them. Number 2, acceptance letter. Acceptance letter from your university or college is a very important document that you need to have while traveling. When you land in Canada, the immigration officer may want to see the copy of the same. Number 3, all your education certificates, your 10th and 12th standard certificates, the graduation certificate, and if you have a master's certificate as well. Number 4, transcripts of your graduation and master's. Obtaining transcripts from your university as a proof of education credentials is a standard process for most of the universities abroad. So while applying for transcripts, please make sure that you apply additional copies and keep them in your folder while preparing for your travel. Number 5, job certificates for each of your work experience. We are talking about experience certificates showing start and end date with as much detail as possible. Your job experience letters are needed not only for PR application needs but also for employers who may want to validate your existing experience. It'll be a good idea to apply for a duplicate relieving letter if you lost your originals while you are in India. Number 6, IELTS certificate. Please keep your IELTS certificate handy as it is valid for 2 years. Number 7, other training or vocational course certificates. It may be a good idea to keep other original certificates. Number 8, copy of air ticket. Hope you don't forget your air ticket as you prepare to take the leap of faith to this side of the planet. Number 9, credit cards and debit cards. If you have international accounts pre-activated from your home country, your bank may provide you with debit card and PIN number which you may need to activate in the new country. So please make sure you carry such documents with you as it could be a hassle not to have such things in country once you arrive. Number 10, documents related to GIC. If you have made a payment to GIC for your monthly expenses, please make sure you carry the required documents. It is possible that you will need to visit the bank in Canada to activate the GIC account and to confirm your arrival. Also, please carry all your financial documents applicable with you. Number 11, address details of your reserved residence. Most of you may reserve a room to stay as you arrive in Canada. It is okay if it is a hotel or a PG or a residential arrangement, but it is very important to have the accurate address available as you will need this information to guide a taxi or a helper to reach your destination in Canada. Number 12, please carry power adapters or travel adapters for your devices like laptops, etc. as the plugs vary in Canada, as you know. Number 13, medications. All the prescription medicine in Canada is usually covered under insurance. It may not be worth the trip to visit a doctor for a sore throat or a common cold. It may be a good idea to keep your regular medication with you as well. So please make sure you have a doctor's prescription and original bills with your medication in your luggage. Okay guys, hope this information helps you to arrange your documents while packing your luggage to Canada. Stay safe. See you soon. Thank you.